The ramp is finished. It is super I don't know if you could see the dust, but I mean, it is super dry down here. The ramp's finished. I got this side finished, and I have this side finished. It is dried out a lot down here. I was just gonna build this ramp, but you know, things happened, so it's gonna turn into a track of sorts. I've got another ramp here, smaller ramp there. Track's nowhere near finished. That might take me a little while, but I'm gonna do a few quick jumps to show you the finished jump. I am using my smaller battery because we're going somewhere later today and I want the bigger battery for there. So usually the truck is faster, and I will make another video where I come down here with the bigger battery and the truck will be getting a lot more air and other such things of that nature. Now, as you might see, I'm actually stopping the tires in midair to get a better landing on the other side. It doesn't have enough power to clear the jump from that side of the ramp, so I'm not even gonna try. I also messed around with the suspension tuning. I stiffened up the suspension in the rear considerably, and the front was mostly fine. I just turned the suspension coils a couple of turns down. Now this isn't no smooth ramp. It's not professionally done. This is my first ramp I've ever built, so if you put down in the comment section, I should have done it this way or I shouldn't have done it that way, I don't care. There's not going to be any races going down on this track or this jump. It's just me to it's just have something fun for me to do, for me to drive my car around. And I mean, you wouldn't really want to race down here either. It's dusty. The surface is crap. It's really bumpy. It's slick. You would not want to race down here. I'm hoping it rains soon, as I'd love to come down here when it rains. As when the ground's not muddy but slightly damp, there's no dust, and the ground's not loose, so you have more grip, which means I could get more speed and I could do bigger jumps and things of that nature. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you have any questions about the jump or anything like that, put them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and that's pretty much it. Bye.